Hey everyone, Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler, gonna give you the 5 top shit. Hey everyone, Chris, the Thrift Shop. Blah, blah, blah. Hey everyone, Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler, gonna give you the 5 top ways to make money in 2018. Number 1, sell crack. I know what you're thinking. Crack is like really hard to sell because it's really illegal. But I'm not telling you to sell that kind of crack. I'm telling you to sell butt crack. Butt crack is like the newest thing that no one's ever heard about, but if you go to Google Trends and you type in butt crack, you will discover a whole world of butt cracks, and you can sell them as it's so much in demand. Amazon BSSRs are like top 100. So every time you want to see the butt cracks, you got to go there and you got to find them. 2018 is going to be the year of the butt crack. And you can find out all where the butt cracks are by buying my new ebook, 101 Butt Cracks. Number 2, find a fucking job. I'm telling you, gotta go outside. This is the crazy part. Okay, bear with me, people. Gotta go outside. Yes, I know where the birds are. Don't look at the birds directly in their eyes, and you'll be fine. You got to get in your car, drive to somewhere, and fill out a job application. It's really hard. You got to talk to a couple people, but I'm telling you, if you get out of your house and you walk down the street, don't look at the birds in their eyes. Just try not to look at them and go find a job. Number 3, stop fucking buying ebooks. I'm telling you. There's so much information on the internet. I know, it's crazy. There's this thing called the internet, and it's revolutionary. And you can literally, bear with me, people. You can go on Google and literally research any subject. I know I should be saying this. The government's going to be coming. I know they're going to be coming. But I'm telling you, if you don't buy any ebooks. But if you buy my new ebook, How to Not Buy Ebooks, it will explain everything you need to know about not buying ebooks. But shit, you gotta buy my god damn it. Number 4, buy Bitcoin. I'm telling you, Bitcoin is like the money of the robots, and it's like really nothing. It's just data, but it's worth something. And the price is always going up. So it never is going to go down. Never. So you can literally sell your liver. Wait, how many livers do you got? Shit. Whatever the thing is that you got 2 of, kidneys or whatever, or hearts, you can sell one of those and buy Bitcoin with it. But you might lose it. But don't worry about it. Number 5. Sell hats. I'm telling you, people, hats are everywhere. They're literally falling out of the fucking sky. And you can find them anywhere you go, especially when people have heads. If you find people with heads, you're literally going to find hats. And the hats, they come in all different kinds of sizes. And stupid baseball teams you can care less about. I'm telling you, you can go to Hats R Us and find literally tons of hats. And this is a sucky team. But you can literally find the Los Angeles Rams that like, thank God they're back because now I can sell this hat. But you can literally make millions of dollars selling hats. It's fucking incredible. Hey guys, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. Please leave a like button if you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below about which top 5 you enjoyed the most and you're going to be looking forward to in 2018. Once again, Happy New Year's to all my subscribers and all of my non-subscribers. I really appreciate it. You guys have a good one. Don't forget to smash potato at the potato button before you walk away. Peace out.
What you know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What you knowin' about wearing a bird box? Get I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's. Your granddad, or donating that slap. Now I'm up in her.